This new $10,000 Elon Musk house is taking the market by storm because it's so affordable, and it's all thanks to the Tesla company. Tesla's commitment to sustainability and the guarantee of a prosperous future for humanity could not be stronger, given the example set by its most visible face. The tycoon Elon Musk is obsessed with the future and the progress of humanity, and firmly believes that one of the main objectives that must be met for the planet to be clean is the purchase of this type of prefabricated homes that have everything a family needs. Needs too. They are somewhat small, but larger models will be built, as it is a developing industry. It is no secret to anyone that the cost of living in the world's major cities is quite high, although there are many factors that have contributed to the high cost of housing, the main factor being supply and demand. In many major cities in different countries around the world, the demand for housing is much higher than the current supply. In the technology industry, this is known as a hyper-scarcity problem. For this reason, when the supply is very limited in relation to with demand and prices rising, the problem is so acute that homeownership is a near impossible challenge for many due to rapid growth and rising costs. This phenomenon has become an interesting enigma, especially for millennials, and it is that among millennials it is increasingly common that instead of buying houses with smaller rooms and fewer amenities, they are choosing to live together in community housing. This movement is known as co-living and has become increasingly popular in recent years. But this is not the only solution to this crisis of high prices in the real estate market. With the help of technology, we can make the world a better place, reducing inequalities and creating safe and sustainable communities for all income levels. Emerging technologies that help increase transparency and trust between people will be critical to making future smart cities possible, which is why Tesla's new $10,000 home goes beyond anything we've seen so far. The construction industry is a sector that moves enormous amounts of money. In fact, it is believed to be a $10 trillion industry, and that it moves around 20% of all jobs in the United States alone. Given the sheer size of the industry and its importance to the economy, if Tesla succeeds in disrupting this industry and making affordable housing a reality, the impact on society would be enormous. Tesla has designed a plan to revolutionize the impact of the cost of housing worldwide. Elon Musk is obsessed with the future and the progress of humanity. He firmly believes that one of the main objectives that must be met for the planet to be clean, it is the purchase of this type of manufactured home that has everything a family needs. Tesla wants to make the plans available online and produce the materials needed to build the house cheaply. For Tesla to achieve its goal, the company must first reduce the cost of building materials. Then its intention is to make the necessary resources available to everyone who wants to build a Tesla house. To reduce the cost of building materials, Tesla engineers have been experimenting with innovative new building materials that are both sustainable and cost-effective. All of the above is just the beginning of Tesla's plan to disrupt the car industry. The construction. This is a great way to democratize technology, as many people who can't afford the price of a Tesla-built house can now build one with their own hands. If you are liking this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell so that you are the first to know when we upload a new video to our channel. This whole project began when Elon Musk decided to put his old house and practically all his properties up for sale. He did all this to move to a small prefabricated house located in Boca Chica, Texas. The small eco-friendly house is equipped with the highest technology created by the Casita project. Like any billionaire, you would think that Elon Musk would live in a giant, magnificent, and expensive house. However, he decided to sell all his mansions and settle in a strange little bungalow. This home hasn't hit the mass market yet, but Musk is working to get this type of home sold to the general public soon to combat shortages in the housing market. The revolutionary eco-sustainable project called Casita is based on a prefabricated house that has an area of 20 square meters, but with a height of almost 3 meters. This sustainable house can be assembled in just 1 hour with the help of a human team and the technology that fortunately we have today. Each house has a totally open space where you can find the kitchen, rest and laundry areas. The only division is the bathroom area that contains a built-in jacuzzi. There is an important aspect to highlight in this project, and that is that the implementation of highly resistant, durable, and energy-efficient construction materials is promoted in the manufacture of many houses. The Boxabel Casita has full capacity to minimize the use of energy compared to those normally used in traditional homes. This revolutionary feature allows them to resist fire, strong winds, floods, and pests. This house could be a perfect option for a single person or a couple. According to Boxabel, the house is totally efficient from an energy point of view since it is built with insulation technology and uses LED lighting. This increases the comfort and savings of the tenants. These houses are built to survive with a snow load capacity for 90% of North America and the possibility of being modified to withstand snow in the remaining 10%. Another striking advantage is that they consume less energy and take up less space than traditional houses with a lower environmental impact. And as we already know, one of the great aspirations of businessman Elon Musk is to have a greener planet and make life on planet Earth much more sustainable. The price of this house is $50,000, a fairly low price, taking into account that its design is modern, technologically advanced, sustainable, and ecological. However, Elon Musk, showing his interest in the project, has promoted the idea that it has a price of no more than $10,000. Elon Musk couldn't be more convinced, as he will need to put an end to the acute problem of homelessness in the world in the best way possible. Surely ideas of what you could do in one of these homes are going through your head, and considering those 20 square meters. But if this measure seems insufficient to you, the project offers the option of customizing 2 modular units. The owner of Tesla is working so that in the future it is possible to include new construction dimensions, even for small buildings. Tesla is currently working with Boxabel on 2 large projects. The first is the design of the houses for the astronauts who will travel to Mars in the projected SpaceX mission. The second project is the construction of a new city created with Tesla houses that it would be located in Texas and would have as its main objective to meet the housing needs of Tesla workers. Can you imagine how the interior design of a house of $10,000 can be? Many might doubt this idea, but coming from Elon Musk, it will surely be something exceptional and wonderful. There are few ideas of the billionaire businessman that can fail. Well, subscribers, this has been all for today's video. Tell us, would you like to live in a house designed and built by Tesla? I know that for many it would be a dream to own a Tesla property, and for that price it would be closer to coming true. Let us know your opinion in the comments box. Do not leave without giving us a like. Subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video to our channel.